For over a century, Tuttnauer has defined excellence in infection control solutions, partnering with leading hospital, laboratory, healthcare clinics, and veterinary sectors to protect what matters most. Today, that manufacturing excellence is trusted globally, supported by a network of over 1,200 distributors across 150 countries. We deliver complete turnkey infection control solutions, from planning and design to installation and post-service consultation. At the heart of every central sterile services department is vigorous infection control protection. For more than 100 years, Tuttnauer has helped hospitals worldwide advancing in sterilization and ensuring patient safety. The process begins with complete decontamination. Tuttnauer's Tiva washer disinfector line delivers high-capacity, flexible decontamination solutions engineered specifically for central sterilization departments and busy hospital surgical suites. Tuttnauer's horizontal autoclave line and T-Max Hospital series set the standard for high-volume, reliable steam sterilization in modern healthcare facilities, offering chamber capacities ranging from 250 to 1,010 liters. For heat and moisture-sensitive devices, Tuttnauer's Plasmax low-temperature hydrogen peroxide sterilizer line delivers safe, rapid, and highly effective sterilization cycles across a flexible range of chamber capacities. The Plasmax line combines user-friendly control systems with a versatile range of specialized cycles tailored to safely process everything from delicate, flexible endoscopes to standard lumens. Proper drying completes the cycle. Tuttnauer drying and warming cabinets provide optimal airflow, HEPA filtration, and full traceability, preparing instruments for immediate use. Tuttnauer exclusive T-Connect software offers a comprehensive ecosystem for real-time monitoring, traceability, and preventative maintenance detection. Our sterilization solutions are engineered and manufactured under the highest international regulatory and quality control standards. From decontamination to sterilization, Tuttnauer delivers a complete solution, trusted as one of the most sought-after partners in healthcare, shaping the future of sterilization and infection control. Tuttnauer. Innovation, legacy, partnership.